say that you're gonna be still in love with me. Are you gonna be? 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 Are you gonna be?
All right, guys, so we are going to be using the Zhiyun Crane for today. As you can see, we have our lovely model Paulina Barbar. She came out so we can actually get this video done because I forgot to get a studio. My fault. I'm tired. Long day. Hopefully you guys can even see me. It's not bright out here. I will put the reflector up, but I don't know if you guys can see. It's super windy out here right now. So we're gonna film. I got the Zhiyun Crane 4. I'll give you guys all the specs. I'll probably put it on the screen. I'm not much of a spec guy. I'm all about if it gets the job done or not. And this thing has got the job done for me. Zhiyun had sent this out to me maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it on some client projects, and so far so good. I haven't had any issues with it. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of my favorite gimbal moves. If you guys watch my videos, you know all I do is shoot gimbal, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna record with the Atomos Ninja, and my first shot that I like to do, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this or if I'm gonna do a voiceover. Whichever one sounds better because it's mad windy. But my first shot, I do it in all my videos, and it's like a gimbal zoom in shot. So let me start recording. And today I'm gonna be shooting with the ZVE1. I just got this camera because I messed up my FX3. It's in the shop right now. Hopefully we'll get it back soon. But yeah, this camera has been good so far. And I like to use pan follow and also use the joystick on here all the time. Of course, as soon as I want to shoot, there's people in the background. So now we gotta wait for a second. Perfect. Yes, do that and then go with the hands up. 3, 2, and 1. Try it one more time. I messed up. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to do be like this. So try it again. It'll be, it's gonna go like over your shoulder. It'll be like 3, 2, 1. So it's gonna be like the ocean. Like it's gonna like show the ocean, and then it's gonna show you. Yeah. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. All right, so we recorded that one, we got that one. Good. Cold?
Freezing.
Tracking up, going up, and then it's gonna be like in front of you.
Okay.
But for this one, you don't have to worry about the camera. And it's gonna be like a regular paced walk. So you're gonna just walk. I'm gonna be a little bit more in front of you. I'll start off side by side. So you're just gonna walk, walk. Okay. So I'm gonna be here. You're just gonna walk, and 1. Perfect. Now the hands. Perfect. Got that done. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. I'm gonna be filming the ocean, and then you're gonna step in front of the camera and like walk towards it, like walk towards the ocean, and then look back. But you're gonna look back over the shoulder. 3, 2, and 1. Now you're walking. Now look back. Perfect. And 1. Eyes here. Got it.
You got you some great. So what can I say to you? But I'm out there, had to fall back. You got everybody.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and look. Let's do it one more time. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect.
Even if it's so cloudy, our pressure just keep adding. Yeah, we just get mad for. We was living fast. Girls don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
I like that one. That was good. That was it. Easy. So, all right guys, so those are some of my favorite gimbal moves. As you can see, the Crane 4 is well capable of holding, I mean, this EV1 is not that heavy, but I put the FX here on it before earlier this week and it held it pretty good. I like this little handle and the wrist support. Very, very clutch. Something that they really thought about. How'd you enjoy the shoot? Was it?
I loved it. It was easy,
Yeah.
seamless. It was a great shoot overall. The weather's nice, a little bit of wind, but
Mad wind.
we got it done.
Hopefully you could even hear her because I forgot to put the mic closer to her. But if not, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow her on Instagram, on YouTube. I'll put all the information below. You guys should know by now. She is a channel favorite. So if you guys don't follow her already, make sure you do. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.